welcome back to another video. So today I am here to share a collective haul from Sephora. So if you're here to see the products for the month of February, and if you also here to see my purchase, then you know what you need to do. You need to go ahead and click on my subscribe button, you all, because it really helps on my channel. So with that being said, we're gonna go ahead and jump straight into this here video. Before we get started, I did just get off of work and my makeup might look a little old, but that's okay. My trainer products for, like I said, the month of February, and it's here in this bag. Stuff everywhere, you all. I have stuff everywhere. So I'm gonna start off with this here first. This is the stuff that brands leave us. Like if they come in to do an event, sometimes they'll leave us like their newest product or whatever the case is. So that particular time, I think this one was given to me back in January. Here is by Caudalie. And this here is the, it don't have the box for me to tell you more about it. But yeah, it's like a face cream by Caudalie. This in the inside. So this here is considered a full size. So got something from Living Proof. This here is a smooth styling cream. Also got something from Ilia. This here is a eye cream. It says Bright Start Activated Eye Cream. It's new, but I was able to pick this out of the Gratis pool because I had a Gratis ticket. I think I had it like sometime last year. I had about 4 or 5 Gratis tickets that I haven't used, so I used it the other night and I grabbed this new KVD foundation. I can't wait to try this out because this here is new, and this here is full coverage. I'm not a full coverage kind of girl. I'm more so medium to light coverage, but it was free, so I'm gonna try it and see the difference as far as coverage. That was everything in that bag. So this here is the black bag that we get from Sephora. Starters, we got the Ilia, and this here is the Ilia, I think this is like a blush and a lip, and this here is in the color Dreamer. So moving on to my next item, this here is by Charlotte Tilbury. It's the Magic Cream. I have a few of these. Got something from Pattern. This here is a conditioner. It says medium conditioner. Not sure what the medium means, but yeah, this is by Pattern. So yeah, moving on to my next item. This here is a retinol. It says smooth fine lines, firms, and brighten. So for bestseller. Oh, the packaging is cute. And it comes out yellow. Don't have a smell. I mean, the smell is like, I don't know. The smell is not like a smell like, oh, that smells good. I guess it smells like retinol. To read up on this on how to use it. And moving on to my next item. This here is a what is this? A SPF by Shiseido. I tell you, I have more than enough SPFs. So yeah, I have that. Be in the sun this summer, y'all. I ain't even gonna hold you. This here is by Paula's Choice, and this here is Pro Collagen Multi-Peptide Booster. So yeah, this is by Paula's Choice Peptide Booster. Once or twice daily, apply to face and neck. Maybe used alone or added to your favorite moisturizer. Complex. And then I don't know. Oh, okay, this is the dropper. Yeah, I'm tired. I thought this was like one thing and then this was another. So I guess you attach it. I guess you place this in the inside of here, y'all. I know I'm tired. because looking at it, I was like, oh, okay, it's 2, but yeah. Got something from Milk. This here is the new bronzer. Good shade. I was able to pick my color. This here is in the color Shimmer. And we got something from Glow Recipe. So good. Like, I know some people don't like scents to their lotions or lip glosses or makeup. I don't know. I don't mind scents on my body creams and my face, you know, face creams and things like that. But this, it doesn't have like a strong scent, but it don't smell like this retinol. It might be the retinol I'm smelling. Not least, we got something from Glossier, and this here is a blush, color Storm. Sephora is going to be carrying Glossier soon. I think it might be online now. I'm not sure, but I know it's going to be sometime soon. The thing I got from Sephora as far as gratis and free products or whatever you want to call it. Now this here is the stuff. Now this here is the stuff that I purchased. Let's start off with the stuff that I bought a couple days ago. Now we did get the new Gucci foundation. If y'all didn't know, Gucci came out with an all matte foundation. I did get the color 360W. So what I plan to do is do a review on this foundation. Instead of purchasing a bottle of foundation to do a review, I just plan to get samples, and then if I end up liking it after I see how it looks on camera, then I may purchase the full size. Because y'all, I'm gonna be completely honest, they have been coming out with so many different type of foundations that I can't keep up. I'm just not, like, I wear foundations like that, but with foundations I don't really switch up that much to like just buy every time it comes out. So I probably would be doing samples of foundations. Now if it's something that blow me away, of course I will purchase, but most likely I will be sticking to samples. So I got the sample, I got the Gucci sample in 360W. One here was this here is new, and this here is the Urban Decay concealer. I did get the color 70 in dark. Concept of this, because the fact that it has a brush, it was so cute where you can, like, you know, I plan to use this as like kind of like an all over type thing, like a no makeup look. So I can't wait to review this here on my channel. I know I'm late because y'all know I was sick and trying to get back in the swing of things, so still enjoying my makeup tutorial. So I will be trying to sometime upload a video on this as well. First I had to get Miss Riri's butter drop. What is this called? Yeah, butter drop. This one is the vanilla. I have the last two, not the first, but the last two. I love her original. That's why I didn't mind purchasing this. The scent is like real faint, but it's enough. Like, it's not overpowering. It's just like, it's just a hint. And I heard mixing this with Osea, if that's how you pronounce it, the lemon drop or something. They say you smell like a lemon cookie. And I love lemon cookies. This smells so good. It smells different than the second one. I may purchase one more because I think once they sell out, that's it. I think once they sell out, that's it. But the original ones is available. But it's not that I don't like the scent. I actually prefer the newest scent better than the original. I got that. And today I purchased something. And they had a sale, and of course I had to take advantage, and I got the one size makeup remover. It's like a spray. I don't know if you're supposed to spray it over your face and then like remove the makeup or spray it on something, so I have to see how you use this because it was on sale plus our discount. I call it Power Puff, but it's a face puff. I got it because I'm looking to purchase the Westman Minitalia, the Westman something. I plan to purchase the powder, and I plan to throw this in my purse when I want to do a touch-up. Purchase a powder, sometimes they don't come with like a little puff, so I feel like with this I can dab and, you know, set my makeup or whatever, and then place it back in here. and then close it and don't have to worry about it messing up the inside of my purse. This, I think this was like $5. I got, this wasn't at our store. This was at Lenox Mall. Yo, this is brand, y'all. Let me tell you, this color Bliss is so pretty. And I think it was like $20. So yeah, here's the brand right here, y'all. This here is so pretty. This is a black owned brand, and of course I wanted to support my black owned businesses. Was so happy to find this color at Lenox Mall section of this now. So they came out with like a whole lot of different things, this particular brand. And y'all, when I felt this brush, I was like, I need it. Like, this brush is so pretty. I plan to use this for like my contour, my cream contours. Like, I don't need no more brushes, but I love a good brush. So I did purchase that today. I did get this hair lip from Fenty. This Sweet's Heart 05. She had MVP, but I don't know. I just feel like I wouldn't have got a lot of use out of that one. Our friends, Mama Smokey, she showed me how to line my lip right, so I ended up purchasing this. And I just wanted to support my girl Riri, because I've been supporting her since she came out and before I even worked at a Sephora. So of course I had to support. I actually like the packaging. So let me see. I think that was it, you all. I cannot wait to share my birthday gift. Your girl got something cute. Yes, I did. I'm off for a whole week, y'all. I took a whole week off because I was planning to go to Philly, but I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. If I go anywhere, of course I'm a vlog video on Sunday, you all, because like I said, with me trying to catch up with everything, I have fell behind. So YouTube is trying to play me, y'all. YouTube is not pushing out my videos. I don't know what's up, because like I said, I haven't been active on my YouTube channel like that because like I said, I was sick. Like I'm trying to get back into the swing of things, so I may just upload some reels in between the time I'm not able to upload videos. Getting back to myself, I just took the mask off today because I have been wearing my mask ever since I came back, but I feel without my mask. I'm hoping I did the right thing because I cannot afford to get sick anymore. Oh, and I did get my nails done, y'all. I got the SNS powder with the yellow. Someone was like, you ready for spring? I said, yes. In this here video, because I don't want this video to be long, to be too long. Y'all, in my next video unboxing, get ready with me. I don't know. I'm trying to look into get my eyebrows tinted. I don't think I'm ready for the whole microblading thing, but I was thinking of getting like that ombre tinting. What is it? The ombre, because I had got my eyebrows done at Ulta, and when I did, I got sick, so I really couldn't enjoy my brows. But I will say, getting them tinted, it was a lifesaver. Like, I didn't have to worry about doing my eyebrows, because my eyebrows is what takes me the most time. Like, I spend a lot of time on my brows. Everything else is like quick, boom, boom, bam. Brows done for the first time. Like I said, I wasn't really able to enjoy my brows because I was homesick for like 2 weeks. Well, no, I was homesick for about a week. I like faded, but I think I want to go ahead and get them done again, you know, just to save time. And so I'm gonna go ahead and this here really quick haul. So if you enjoyed my Sephora goodies, please give this video a big thumbs up, you all, because it really helps out my channel. And also, before you go, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can be notified each week. That's right, each week your girl uploads videos. And until next time, and there will be a next time, I will talk to you later. Bye.